guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Nike Off-White Dunk. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. So let's get into it. So today we've got a look at one of the most hyped up sneakers of the summer, and that is the Off-White Nike Dunk Low. And this is part of the 50 collection, or the Dear Summer, I've seen it been called. So this is Virgil's other collection of Nike sneakers. This just all isolating the Dunk. So obviously he's done the first 10, and I think that 10 collection is probably the greatest works of art in sneaker history. And they're up there with an Air Jordan 1, even though Virgil did do an Air Jordan 1, but they're so dope. And this time he's taken 50 numbers of these Nike Dunks. Well, there's 50 Nike Dunks in 50 different colorways. Now, if you look at the box, just before we get into it, it's got all that off-white aesthetic. You've got the cut holes there. It's a very DIY attitude towards it. A hand-drawn swoosh at the top. This little window here to peek inside. And at the back, you've got a little checklist. So as I mentioned, there are 50 dunks, 50 different colorways, and we've got the 25th. So it's nice in the middle. Oh, just before that, you've got your little tags here with the ski codes and what season it is. So it's autumn, winter, fall, autumn, for our American friends. So today we've got to look at this Nike Dunk Low, number 25. And we've got it in the cell neutral grey pale ivory colorway, and it comes in the UK size 8, it's a European 42.5, and it's a US men's size 9. Box in, got the nice off-white paper here as well. And here it is. Now, just before we delve deeper, I just want to give a big shout out to my brother Dominic again, who came up with the dump. I came up with an L. Well, to be fair, he got the exclusive access, and these pair of number 25 was his. I don't think he got a choice in the matter of what he could and can get. So yeah, but first impressions, I really like this colorway actually, to be fair. Very clean, even though 48 out of the 50, to my knowledge, are essentially the same grey, white sneaker. But there is number 50, which is an all black sneaker. I think that's the best colorway of them all. But it's nice, there's some bits of uniqueness to each lot. So this being lot 25, you can only find the white laces and the green tag on it. Now, let's go into the details. So you look at the outsole, it's an all rubber outsole. You've got a typical Dunk traction patterning here. It's the same as an Air Jordan 1. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So both midsoles, they have 25 of 50. As I mentioned, this is lot 25 of the 50. And you've got this unique colorway. Well, it's not unique, it's an off-white. So there you go, Virgil, with the off-white colored midsole. Moving along onto the upper. So it's a blend of materials being used here. You can see the leather paneling where the grey parts are of the sneaker. You can see it all around. And just underneath that is a canvas. So you can see in the toe box, the medial and the lateral side of the sneaker. The tongue has that off-white feel. You've got the exposed foam, and it's in this really nice green. Got the cutout hole here as well on the tongue, and a vintage Nike tag stitched on. So a lot of the recent Jordans, it was the Air Jordan 5, they have a cutout tongue as well, and I'm pretty sure the rest of the 50 do. The laces, so in typical off-white fashion, they have shoelaces with the quotation marks, and you can see it on the round laces that are just around the sneaker. So essentially the Dunk, it's a Nike Dunk, but what makes it the off-white is all the little details. But Specifically, you've got this another pair of laces going all around the sneaker, and it's just a round white pair of laces, and they got the shoelaces quotation marks as well. At the medial side, you've got that Nike off-white and the Nike address just below. As I mentioned, we've done some off-whites already, so a lot of the off-whites have this address detailing on the medial side. Going back onto the lateral side, you've got your little lime green tag here, and you've got the SKU number of the sneaker in silver as well. Inside, you got a green insole, and you've got a handprint on the right side and a silhouette of a face on the left. And just to round it off, give you that classic off-white, just to make you know that it's by Virgil Abloh. You have the green zip tag here, and Ziploc, sorry. And you got off-white, and this is lot 25 of 50. Now, we're gonna move on to the on-feet, and just before I get into the on-feet, I just wanna mention how we're seeing dunks. This is the summer, this is the year of the dunk. Everyone has a pair of dunks now, and that can be a gift and a little bit of a curse, because to be fair, everyone wants a pair of dunks. And it's great to see that there's many colorways coming out, but there was such exclusivity when it came to this collection. I wasn't able to get a pair. My brother, thankfully, was able to. And thank you, Tom, if you're watching, for lending us a pair to review. It would be ideal if there was more to give in regards to mass production. It'd be great to give everyone a pair of these dunks, like the Yeezys. You can see everyone can get a pair of Yeezys. They're easily attainable now. But we have been seeing that recently. The prices on resale of dunks have been going down, which is great because I want to get a pair of like SB Dunk Lows. That's just me personally. And I'm not the biggest fan of these off-white dunks. As I mentioned before, I prefer the original 2019 release that came out with the original dunk colorways, but giving that off-white twist. But this is nice. I'm not mad at this. Really nice colorway. The green complements the sneaker very well, and it's another off-white. I'm pretty sure these sold out. I'm not sure about resale prices of these, how they are going at the minute, but I'm pretty sure if you got a pair of the black ones, boy, you can resell that for a lot. So roll that footage of me trying these off-white dunks on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I do suggest that you try and get your true to size fit. Me being a 7.5, I've got a bit of space in the toe area, so my toes aren't at the very top, but they kind of feel secure. Now, when I put these on, I think I'm gonna take the tag off. Wait, I say I like this is mine. I'll tell my brother he should take it off because it looks really, really busy, but it's very simple, if that makes any sense. Because the dunk colorway, look how it's not bold color, and you can barely see the green when I'm wearing these tracksuit bottoms from Weekday, by the way. But they're quite comfy. They're gonna grab loads of eyes, and I'm not mad at these.
Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.